Hi again. In my last video, you saw me making some peanut butter, and you can see the lovely remnants throughout the blender itself. Sorry, brain freeze. I want to show you how easy it is to clean this now with this built-in cleaning feature. All you do is put 3 cups of water, and it is marked. You want to just put about 3 drops of dish detergent in, and trust me, you do not want to put too much in because it will bubble up. You want to make sure you have your lids on. Turn it on. Oops. Turn it to heated wash. It will heat up to 140 degrees, so it does actually clean with heat. Push the button. And it will start blending. As you see, that will go around as the temperature heats up. There is an actual heating element. So once this hits 140 degrees, and you can still see it says heat, once it hits 140, it will start cleaning. I'm just going to pause this because I'm sure you just don't want to see that going up. Actually, I changed my mind. I did put this down for a few seconds, but I want to show you how quickly this does actually heat. And it will clean now for 2 minutes and 14 seconds. This I'll have to clean off. It's on the outside. And I'm sorry, I actually bumped my volume, which actually turned off the video. This mark here is also on the outside. And it is done. I'm just going to turn it off. We'll take this off. And you can see the steam rising. You can see the inside of the lid, except for the actual outside, which I do need to clean off, along with my stuff that I had earlier. But I want to show you what the blender actually it looks like itself inside. Look how clean that is. so you don't have to worry about trying to get in there and possibly cut yourself on those blades. This, like I said, is on the outside. I was quite messy. So that is it. That is how easy it is to clean. If for some reason it does get something that doesn't, like it's baked on, scorched on even, we do supply a brush to clean it with. But as you can see, I did not need it today. Thanks a lot, and please visit Pampered Chef with Erica or my webpage at pamperedchef.biz/efetzko. Have a great day.